Diane in Denmark here, rah rah rah, happy Sunday morning. Beautiful sunshine in Copenhagen this morning, but it is really cold. I actually woke up to some snow this morning. There was some light snow during the night, which is kind of funny because, as I said to you yesterday, we put our clocks forward last night 1 hour onto summertime, and this is traditionally the day that the Danes bring forward their garden furniture. They're out working in the garden. So anyway, we woke up to snow, but it's beautiful out there. Anyway, quick check-in with you today for our, I'm just checking in with morning routine to make sure that, especially if you're like us on some form of lockdown, that you're just moving forward, putting one foot in front of the other, and just carrying on with things. And, oh look, I've got a wee posy of flowers from the garden. You probably saw this when I was going through our Easter decorations. This is one that belonged to my dearly departed Danish father-in-law. Anyway, I was out last night cutting a few flowers from the garden. So anyway, on with, let me see, oh, so you can enjoy a wee look at that. And also I have a couple of items for our declutter challenge. Remember, we are going for a 40-day declutter, just looking for one item per day. If you can find more than that, that's great. But the idea behind it is being consistent, like being consistent with your routines. So I've got a bangle, which I actually bought on a holiday, a vacation in the south of France many years ago. I've told you before, when I travel, instead of buying one of those kind of weird souvenirs, I'll buy something like a piece of jewellery, a small piece of jewellery, or a tea towel. You've seen those, my shiny sink pictures on Instagram. And this one is just, I like the colour of it, but I have some smaller red bangles that I like. And this one is just too much, because even today I've got kind of blue outfit going on, but it's too big, it doesn't feel right. So that's going. Plus this scarf. Now, you know, I love my scarves. And the colour is nice. It's a really good dressing your truth type 1 colour. The colour is fine. Same with this. But I've discovered I just don't like, I can't be doing with cheesecloth. It's too kind of wishy-washy and too kind of floppy. In dressing your truth, I'm a type 1/4. So I like things which are a bit more, a bit of shape to them, and it's got to hold its shape. And this is just too kind of like a dishcloth for me. So those are 2 items that are going. And let's just go through our morning routine. If you have already done your routine, woohoo, go you. And if you haven't, yay, look at all the fun you're about to have. So I'm just going to take it from the top. If you need help with what to put on your routines, what not to put on your routines, remember, we're not going overboard here. If you click on the screen there, it will come up with my Flylady refresher course video. So let's take it from the top. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this morning, got up out of bed, pulled back the bed covers to air the bed, opened the windows, cup of coffee, I put on the hot rolls for breakfast, came upstairs and had my shower, and then got dressed to shoes. I'm all kind of in the navy. I'm in the navy today with a wee bit of red. I also cut my fringe a wee bit. And listen, no comments about hair and makeup at the moment, because you know, we are kind of doing the best we can. But I'm just I'm just air dry today. I haven't done anything with my hair apart from cutting the fringe. What next? A load of laundry. Do you need to put in a lull? Do you need to take one out? I'm going to be changing the sheets in our bedroom today as part of my weekly home blessing hour. So I will be putting sheets in. I haven't done it yet, but I'll do it now. And I won't get them outside to dry today because of the snow. It's too cold. I'm running the dishwasher right now, and I will empty it when that's finished. I did a swish and swipe in the bathroom when I was obviously showered and then getting my clothes on. Eating breakfast, check. I'm about to take everything off the bed, so I'm not going to make the bed right now, but I'll do that once I get the sheets off and the new ones on. Well, I tell you what, let me just show you which set I'll be using today. Here we are, because I always get questions about our duvet covers. These are ones that I've bought from IKEA years ago, what, 10 years ago, and they're really nice cotton and they wash up really well. So that's the set that's going on today. Hold on, let me just put, and when I take the sheets off the bed and the pillowcases, I've told you before, I quite often use the pillowcases just to wipe off any dust on the flat surfaces in the room, but we're working in this room this week, so I don't need to do that. My outfit for tomorrow, I do that when I'm putting away the day's laundry. Makes sense to me. I put away the laundry and I pull out what I'm going to do, use the next day and put it on a hook on the back of the bedroom door here, so I am ready to get going in the morning. My exercise today will probably be a wee walk with the family and look at what snow we have. And my self-preservation or pamper thing for today, I've already done my nails. I'm going for a wee bit of red today. And my evening routine, I don't really mention it here, but it's a basic evening routine. As soon as we've had dinner in the evening, the family all helps to put their stuff in the dishwasher, clear the table, any condiments and stuff go back in the fridge. Nobody gets to leave the kitchen until that's done. And then I just wipe out the sink with my one of the towels that I've been using that day to keep it nice, looking nice and clean. And I also make sure that I set up the coffee machine so that in the morning I can come down and I can smell the coffee because I've already set it up. So anyway, I'm going to get back to the family because my husband and I, we've had our breakfast, but the kids are now beginning to surface. So live long and prosper, have a fantastic Sunday, and I'll see you tomorrow morning. And otherwise, I'll see you on Instagram, so I'll probably post some pictures there. Okay, bye for now. Oh, hold on. Can't let you go off without a wee rah. So anyway, from the top. Live long and prosper. May the Danish little spring hygge be with you. And rah. Okay, bye for now.